Welcome, learners. In the last lecture, we discussed about society as a concept. In continuation to it, today we will learn about the characteristics of society. You can see that essentially there are 8 features of society. They are: society consists of people, mutual awareness, society is abstract, permanent nature, division of labor, likeness and difference, interdependence, cooperation and conflict. Now we can take characteristics one by one. The first one is society consists of people. A group of people having social interactions is the first requirement of society. Without people or individuals, there can be no social relationship, which is considered to be the primary basis for the existence of society. We can say that no people, no social relationship, and no society. Mutual awareness. It means that there should be knowledge about the existence of self and also others, which is based on the continuous social interaction. Recognition of reciprocal contact and communication along with relationship is essential for the mutual awareness. Next, we have society is abstract. Now, the word abstract means anything that is not visible. If society is a web of social relationship, the relationship is not visible, hence, the society is not visible. Therefore, society is considered to be abstract. For a better comprehension, it can be inferred that just as life is not a thing but a process of living, so society is not a thing but a process of associating or interaction. The fourth characteristic is permanent nature. It is true that society is not a temporary aggregate of individuals. This means that society has always existed. It could be hunting societies, pastoral societies, horticultural societies, industrial societies, or post industrial societies. Generations will come and go, but societies in different forms shall continue to exist because its existence is perennial. Division of labor. It basically means the division of work among individuals or groups for the satisfaction of human needs. It is based on status and role. The functioning of society is divided among individuals or groups at the micro and macro levels. Division of labor is essential for ordered functioning in the society. Examples could be division of labor in family, where we have the status of a father, mother, child, and the work is divided among them. Another suitable example could be division of positions and its work in judiciary that you can see on the screen. Likeness and differences. A society has both likeness and differences. Likeness, which also means similarity of language, physiology, values, or homogeneity in culture. Talking of differences, we can take the example of differentiation in sex, like males and females, differentiation in professions, differentiation in aptitude or gender roles, etc. It is quite true that in order to satisfy certain needs in society, differentiation is an essential feature which we can say is an important factor for a healthy and balanced society. The seventh characteristic is interdependence. It is a condition of a group of people that depend on each other. It was Emile Durkheim who considered interdependence in society as a significant concept as far as modern society is concerned. He gave the concept of organic solidarity based on interdependence, which resulted in social cohesiveness. Hence, we can understand that dynamism and development of society largely hinges on the interdependence, which is imperative for the fulfillment of our needs. For example, nations are interdependent on each other for their existence. Another example is family where all members have a strong reliance on each other for sustenance in life. The last characteristic we have is cooperation and conflict. McIver has clearly opined that society is cooperation crossed by conflict. Now, this statement means that society is based on cooperation, but existence of conflict cannot be denied, as both are essential social processes in the society. In fact, we can witness cooperation for conflict and conflict for cooperation in society. It means that we can cooperate with each other to resolve a conflict or have a controlled level of conflict in dialogues that can take place to come at a consensual result or change in the society. So, students, today we discussed some characteristics of society which I hope is very clear to you. I wish to see you again on this channel. Keep watching the Sociology Scoop. Thank you.